What's up everybody, I'm Zame from Ecstasy Tunes. In this video I'm going to show you how I made chill R&B beat in Cubase Pro 10.5. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and smash that like button and turn on the notification so you won't miss my next video. Alright, thanks for watching and let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna start this beat with piano chord progressions, so let me play it for you. Okay guys, if you notice, I didn't hit record when I play this chord progression, but in Cubase we have this awesome function called retrospective recording. Okay, what it does is it records the data of me playing the chord progression in the background, and I can actually import it to a MIDI track. I'm gonna edit the MIDI notes right now. I don't want to quantize because I want the human feel. I'm going to add drum right now. Let's start with kick. The key of this song is in C minor. I'm gonna tune the kick to C. Okay, let's record the kick. Okay, I'm gonna need my friend, Mr. Quantize. I'm gonna add snap now. Okay, let's quantize that. I'm gonna lower down the volume of the kick and the snap. Okay, let's change the color. I'm gonna add hi-hat and use Step Designer to create hi-hat rolls. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I've done a video about it. It's 5 beat making tips in Cubase, so please go and check it out. going to shorten the release of this hi-hat. Okay, now I'm going to add another hi-hat. Let's find one. I'm going to change the pattern for the first hi-hat. I'm going to add some swings to the pattern. Okay, now let's record this pattern to its own MIDI track. Okay, let's add bass. I'm using Trillion's electric bass. I want to have a laid back feel to the bass. I'm going to change the end note of this bass. Let's transpose the bass down. Okay, the beat is done, but I want to add one more element. I want to add a piano melody, but in triplet. Okay, usually I don't like to add a lot of stuff because I want to give more space for the vocals, but right here I think I want to add just one more element. Okay, let's do that. Okay, if you notice, I didn't record that part, but don't worry, we have retrospective recording. It's gonna save our ass. Watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Turn on the notification, smash that like button, and share the video to all your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.